Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing demo review of the translucent matte black case from Casekoo. This is for the iPhone 14 series. This particular case that I have in my hand is for the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and we'll be putting it on the phone over there in just a minute. Real quick, just so you know, in the box you do get this really cool stand that opens up. So you can use that as a stand for your phone, take it with you wherever you go. Nice and cool. They also include some cool Casekoo stickers. You can use those for your water bottle, whatever, but they include those, and it comes in that nice box. This is the case itself, as you can see, completely translucent, so you'll be able to see your phone through it, but then also it doesn't show fingerprints or anything, which is really good. Just going to take a quick look at it before I put it on the phone itself. The corners are reinforced to protect against drops. You've got a nice kind of soft TPU outer covering, and the back is this translucent smoky black, which is really nice. So let's get it on the phone so we can just see what it looks like on the phone. You can see it goes on really nice and easy, and yeah, so you can see with it on the phone, you can see the Apple logo. Now this particular phone is a dark phone, so you can't see it as much, but I can see it through there. But I can see the color. Of course, again, the color on this phone is a dark sort of a black finish, so it looks black. But whatever color you have, you can see it through here because it is that translucent finish, which is nice, but you don't see any fingerprints. You can see completely anti-fingerprint, anti-scratch, so you don't get any fingerprints on this, which is great. Now look at this lens protection. I love this. It's nice and thick, and it kind of flares out a little bit. So your camera lenses are very protected with that bezel that goes around there. When you lay your phone down, those cameras won't touch anything. So that's great. Looking over at the front, similarly, you have a nice raised bezel all the way around the front. And that's going to protect your front case, so when you lay your phone down flat, your screen won't be touching anything, which is great. Down here on the bottom, you got your cutouts, and great cutouts for the speakers, as well as a nice wide cutout for your lightning port. So any lightning connector charging cord you have will fit in there without any issues. Over here, you've got your nice slightly raised button covers there. Easy to use, and a nice wide cutout for your vibrate mode. Down on the corner, you do have a little cutout here. You can use that to attach a lanyard if you want to. It's there for you. And then on the excuse me, on the other side here, you've got your nice power button. That's great. Now the design of these cases, you can see they have this little they get a little bit narrower around the grip, and that allows you to easily grip that. So I think that's a really nice design. It's a very sturdy case, easy to hold, very light, not too thin, not going to add a lot of bulk to your phone. Fairly thin case, but fits perfect, looks great, gives a good look to your phone, gives you all the protection you need in the corners and the bezels, and with the bezels around the camera and the face. So really, really excellent case by Casekoo. If you're looking for something that's translucent, something that will not show fingerprints but does still allow the color of your phone to show through, then this translucent matte black case from Casekoo is definitely a case I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those videos are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have this playlist. Keep up with future product reviews. And if you have any questions, just post them down below. I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.